इतने लाल एप्पल्स मैंने लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखे।
वो रवि धो तो लेते हैं।
myself Reena Bhatia. I hope you guys are doing amazing. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार ही आए तो do consider subscribing as it's absolutely free. Today we are going to apple picking. बहुत excited हूँ। आप लोगों को अपने साथ लेकर चलूँगी और दिखाऊंगी कि apple picking USA में कैसे होती है। तो चलिए let's start the vlog. So guys, we have left and मेरा first time है apple picking का। तो रवि ने काफी बारी apple picking करी है already because he's from America. So how many times have you done apple picking, Ravi?
When I ran a farm, we had apple trees, so it was a regular thing.
So guys, we've reached the apple picking area. So many cars over here क्योंकि आज संडे है तो इतनी सारी फैमिलीज आई हुई हैं यहाँ पर एप्पल पिकिंग के लिए। It's quite crowded, ना? There's a cafe also here. तो पहुँच चुके हैं हम एप्पल पिकिंग एरिया में। The area is so big, it's so big and crowded. इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर है, इतना खुला है। तो I think उस एरिया में जाना है हमको एप्पल पिक करने के लिए। So we're gonna go there and pay now. यहाँ पर लिखा है please pay at pick your own shed before picking. This is where we pay. यहाँ पर जाकर this is the registration. यहाँ पर हम registration कर pay करेंगे. And this entire area, there are different types of trees over here. ये सारा apple picking का है. Then there is pumpkin picking there, that side. This bag right here, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं मेरे हाथ में है, ये जो है इसके मैंने $20 पे करे हैं। खाली बैग के नहीं, इस बैग को पूरा फिल करेंगे हम and just fill it up till the brim. So we're entering the farm now and we're gonna pick the apples and I will make sure that I fill up the bag till the brim. क्योंकि मौसम काफ़ी ठंडा है यहाँ पर, तो अगर मैं इतने सारे एप्पल्स अपने घर ले भी जाऊँगी तो ख़राब नहीं होंगे. So I can just store them and they should be fine for a month or two. The weather is quite nice. अक्टूबर का महीना है तो अभी ठंड पूरे तरीके से चालू नहीं हुई, but like yeah, the weather is about it keeps fluctuating. So today I think it's 9 degree. Yeah. मेरी तो सांस आनी शुरू हो गई है अभी से ही. So guys, this is the variety of apples we're gonna be picking up. You guys can see they're so red. इतने लाल apples मैंने लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखे. चलो, let's start picking them. Nice. जो ऊपर है उनमें तो मेरा हाथ नहीं जाएगा, तो जो नीचे है वो सारे मैं पिक करती हूँ. Look at this one. इतना सुंदर है ये. So red. मैं अभी पता है I'll have to wash it, otherwise I would have eaten it now only. So now it's Ravi's turn because he's tall. तो उसको बहुत easy है उसके लिए ऊपर से apples pick करना.
The ones on top, hopefully they get some more sunlight.
Yeah.
And then become a little sweeter. So as you can see, I think a lot of people have come. They've picked off all the, the ones here. Like it's at the end of the season. You can see that, you know, after the flowers come the fruit, the apple for the seeds. So it's cold now, no flowers, no apples, you know, nothing new.
But I think, whatever we are getting, they're also quite nice, no?
Very nice.
So guys, he's picking all the apples from the top. Yeah, this one's a good one. Sure? Whoa, Ravi, धो तो लेते हैं. How is it?
Fresh.
Fresh?
Nice. Tasty. Very sweet. Very good.
I'm looking forward to have it later. So he's gonna be picking up all the apples जो ऊपर से हैं क्योंकि मेरी height तो भाई जाएगी नहीं. Unless Ravi lifts me up.
I think we got enough of this variety. We're gonna get some different ones too.
Come. Next हम pick करेंगे cameo apples.
You can see these are a little bit of a darker red. They'll have a slightly probably different taste. I don't want to take a bite of all of them.
Yeah, don't.
Try them all later. We'll just take a little sample there.
Isn't it so cool? यहाँ पर इतने सारी वैरायटी के एप्पल्स हैं. मुझे तो मतलब पता भी नहीं था क्योंकि इतनी सारी वैरायटी के एप्पल्स मैंने कभी नहीं खाए लाइफ में. But it's quite interesting to see there are so many variety of apples here. But then ये सारे जो नीचे आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना, ये ऑलरेडी लोग कर चुके हैं पिक. तो ये अभी सारे ऊपर जो हैं वो ही हैं यहाँ पर. I can't see any. Where? Which one? I see. I can grab that.
You can see the.
Yeah, there is a huge difference.
You can see the differences. Huh?
This has
got some. It looks like these got these little white spots on it.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a darker red. It's a bit of a difference.
There is a huge difference. Yeah, that has got white spots and that's darker red, and
we'll
this
get
is
some
like
other ones too.
Pure red. The other one.
Here, you get plenty down here.
Whoa!
So apples are
So
gonna have
many.
different levels of sweetness and tartness. So depending if you want to eat them, or if you want to juice them, or if you want to make them into a pie,
Yeah.
you'll see which ones you'll get. One particular good for what purpose.
Hey, we can make some apple pie, no? These.
I feel like these ones are probably good for pie.
So I can see many here. I will pick few. This is the smaller ones. सुंदर है बताओ. छोटा सा प्यारा सा cute सा apple. So I can pick a couple of them. So there are three varieties of apples over here. The cameo apples, Ida red and golden apples. तो हमने अभी तक लिए हैं Ida red and the cameo ones. We are thinking कि क्योंकि सिर्फ तीन ही वैरायटी है, हम सोच रहे हैं कि और थोड़े cameo and Ida red भर लेते हैं बैग्स में, because पूरा बैग तो भरना ही भरना है. And then we'll go and pick up the golden ones. So I'm here at this cameo apples side again. I'm gonna make sure to pick up more cameo ones. They're so good, they're so fresh, farm fresh apples. Now we're gonna go and pick up some golden apples, and I think we're pretty much done क्योंकि 3/4 bag fill हो चुका है already. But the experience is what counts. The experience is so amazing. मैंने लाइफ में ऐसा कभी कुछ किया नहीं है कि literally फार्म में जाकर apples pick कर रही हूँ मैं, which is really awesome and different for me. So now we're gonna go to the golden apples counter. I really have no idea where it is. This is the Ida red one. I think the next one is going to be golden apple. Let's see where it is. Entire side is cameo apples and golden apples is right in the front. As you guys can see, full on लोग यहाँ पर photos and videos ले रहे हैं. It's always good to capture memories which you can look and see anytime you want. This is the entire golden apple farm. Hello. Hello. You're so cute. Hi. Because the season is about to come to an end, I cannot see many. I can see a few here. Bye-bye. Bye. See, I got such a nice one. There are many.
So this one's a bit underripe, but good. That way it'll last longer.
Why are you going so inside? There we can go आगे. There's many. जंगलों के बीच में से घुस के apples निकाल रहे हैं यहाँ पर रवि भाटिया.
So you can see, I don't know if you can tell. Oh, the light is here. Yeah, this is a little bit less. It's a little more kind of, the color isn't there. It's not ripe. But then hopefully it will become ripe. That way it can last longer.
Yeah, true. Hello. Hi. She's so cute. I love kids. Bye. 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 The last apple farm which we have come to, these are the golden apples. इतने सारे टाइप के apples हैं यहाँ पर. And I can do so much. I can make apple pudding. Apples खा सकते हैं हम ऐसे ही. और क्या बना सकते हैं रवि हम apples का?
Apple pie.
Apple pie, yes. I'm gonna make apple pie.
Apple pastry, like a Danish apple cake. Apple cake?
Apple pie तो पक्का we're gonna be making.
Always make sure you wash apples. So apples are actually, the way they're grown, they are some of the one of the worst foods in terms of chemicals
Right.
in the process of growing them. So if you can get organic, get organic. If you can't, make sure you wash it properly. Even though the peel has probably the most nutrients, maybe peel it off to be safe.
Yeah, I think organic ones will be safer.
But they have a list they put out every year of called the Dirty Dozen, of the 10 foods that have like the highest pesticides and chemicals on them. The thing with the apple is when they spray it on the outside. They spray the whole tree, so it sprays on the outside and then you eat it. Not good. Always
Yeah.
make sure to wash.
Yeah.
Be clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Absolutely. I can see so many here also, na? See?
There you go, Reena. You like to come pick these?
Yeah, I
Bring
want
it down to
to.
your hand. Oh, oh,
Whoa.
double fall. Oh, come back. So I'm not pulling the leaves off. In the wintertime and the fall, the trees let go of the leaves.
Yeah,
That's why they were falling. Don't hurt trees. Don't break branches. Don't pull off leaves.
never.
Don't pluck flowers. Just enjoy seeing them.
And that's it. We are done with apple picking.
Check
It was
out our
such an
haul.
amazing. Yeah. See? This entire bag is filled with apples. And my experience was really good. Like यहाँ पर ऐसे farm पर आकर खुद apples pick करना, it's totally amazing experience. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Different types के apples जो है हमने bags में डाले. I will try to make some. Definitely I will make apple pie. Apple pie तो definitely बनाऊंगी ही. I'm also looking forward to eating these apples, but always wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. So guys, this is it for today's vlog. बहुत अच्छा लगा apple picking करके. It was a new experience. I hope you guys liked my vlog. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family. Comment and tell me कि आपका favorite fruit कौन सा है. मेरा तो apples है. Love apples. And yeah, do subscribe to the channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Look at the colors. पता है मुझे ये व्यूज इतने पसंद है, मेरा मन कर रहा है इनको अपनी जेब में डाल के अपने पास रख लो हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. So difficult to let go of such views, no?
But you appreciate, no? You enjoy it and then you enjoy the change. And next will be winter.
True.
Well, these will be all white.
White, yeah. That's true.
And then in the spring when all the buds start coming, greens, the leaves, the flowers, green in the summer.
But you know what? I think like this is my first fall season here, and I think
definitely
this is the best time of the year. Huh?
Definitely. This is the time everyone comes up here in Vermont.
Yeah.
To see all these things.